Hello everyone, welcome back to Colorido. Nice to meet you again. Okay, have you been ever involved in this sock printing business? Can you imagine that just need 9 seconds? Then a ready sock could be printed. Okay, so how this 4 rollers sock printer can blow the competition out of the water? Today, let me show you, and let's tear down the whole machine and see how the core hard power is. First, let's check out this cartridge. This cartridge is equipped with 2 Epson 1600 print head for lightning fast ink delivery and pinpoint accuracy. The whole machine rides on high rigidity industrial linear rails, minimizing vibration even during long high-speed runs. Prints stay sharp. And now look at our servo-driven rotary indexing table. It drives these 4 rollers, continuously rotating during production without any stop. And the output of per hour, you can reach almost over than 100 pairs. We've maxed out on materials, imported wear-resistant cable chains, thickened aluminum alloy rollers, tough and durable. During printing, it stays very stable. Check the base. Over than 1 centimeter thick steel plate for weight. No wobble, no deformation, even under heavy use. Way more stable than the ordinary machine. The ink system is fully automatic. Continuously flow, large capacity, easy refills, less downtime. Fewer clogged nozzles, perfect for high-frequency factory runs. It saves money and cuts wastes. Comes with a touchscreen display, daily output and machine status at a glance. All basic operations are tap and go. Easy operation. And the software is using the Spanish brand of New Stampa, very famous one and easy for operation. With this New Stampa software, you can use the hot folder for the POD printing. So now what you are seeing, this camera is so far the most advanced technology from us. This is very unique from our company. So by using this camera, during the printing, you can have all kinds of the colors of the blanks you want. We call it visual positioning system. So far in the market, what you have, the sock, is this kind of the black heel and toe part, right? So what you wanted to do by this camera is you can use this kind of the colorful socks. The colorful heel and toe part in the blanks. So during printing, it just skip over whatever this color part shape it is, and then skip over. Don't print during printing. You will be very unique and special in the market then. So this machine is all about high speed, high precision, durability, and versatility, solving the low efficiency, high defect rate, and even the design limitation. If you wanted to know more about our machine with the detailed parameter, welcome to consult us. We will be here always. Subscribe us, follow us. Remember Tina. See you next time. Bye.